good, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video of the Brazil FX trading. So guys, today I'm going to be meeting one of my good friends. It's called Raymond. He's one of the richest Ugandan Forex traders that you've never heard of, guys. So stay tuned to this video, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you when I see Raymond. Okay, what's up?
What's up? Welcome.
And there you have him, guys. The richest Ugandan trader that you have not heard about. Raymond, which floor is this?
38th floor.
38th floor. Guys, first see this. This is my marina. Look at this. And how much would it cost for me to have a nice house like this?
About a minimum of $4,000 to $5,000 a month.
Wow.
Yeah, so
Wow.
you have to be earning at least a minimum of 10 grand a month USD. Yeah.
Real money, not demo money, like most of you guys. Would you mind giving us a house tour?
Yeah, no problem.
Alright. But this is a minor question. You have a girlfriend, man. How would you stay in this this palace alone?
I'm a single man at the moment. Yeah, so basically you have the entrance.
Yeah.
Okay, when you come in, it's like the entrance.
Yeah.
We have like a visitor's bathroom. Okay.
Yeah.
And then we have the kitchen. Forgive the dishes.
Yeah.
I'm a single man, so housekeeping is gonna probably come here to clean up.
Yeah. I'm saying dishes outside. Do you cook?
Yeah, I do cook sometimes.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's someone that usually comes in once a week to cook, and yeah. So a little bit of mini bar.
Yeah.
Over here.
As you can see, guys.
Yeah, and then I have this is like my chill spot, probably like
Meditation, something like
meditation,
that.
and I look at the view.
Yeah, look at that.
Probably working out in the morning and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I have my yoga mat at the back here for those that do yoga. Yeah, and then I have this. This is more like for the pool.
For the
It's
pool.
like a pool bed.
Yeah.
Go chill and probably read a book or something.
I thought it was a bed, man.
Then we have, I think this is the most beautiful part of the house, the view, the balcony. Yeah, so you get to see the Dubai skyline. I think it provides the best views at night. It's more like motivational, meditational, whatever you can call it. Like really inspires you. Whenever you wake up every morning, you're like, man, thank you God. Pushes you to work hard. You stay at the top, you have to do what the people at the top do. So yeah, I think this is the best part of the house.
Yeah.
I have my mini trade setup over here. In the morning, I usually broadcast everything on the screen during live trading sessions.
Yes,
I have a board for a few classes. And then this is my bedroom. Some wall art. This is done by me. I know it looks ugly, but then my bed over here. Then we have a bathroom. Yeah, so we have a closet.
This is nice.
Closet. Yeah, and then closet. Little bit of perfume collection and stuff like that. So yeah, I think that's basically that. It's a small humble place.
Millions are made here.
Yeah, millions are made here. Millions are made from this actually. No operational costs.
Oh, sorry, you said no rent paid.
No rent paid.
How do
You know, like how you have an actual business and you have to like pay salaries,
Yeah.
operational costs and all that stuff. I mean, just from the like comfortability of your laptop or actually just you don't even have to have a laptop. From your mobile phone you're able to do thousands and thousands of dollars a day.
Yeah. And funny thing, most of the guys own same things.
Yeah.
Phone, tab, like the same setups. What's the difference between you and them?
The difference is I think it's exposure, because I feel like Africans would rather have the latest iPhone
Yeah.
and 0 shillings in the bank than have, let's say, just like a normal phone and something in the bank. So basically it's just about exposure, the ability of you as a person to take risks, and I mean it's a never unending learning journey. So stay hungry and yeah, keep up with the grind is what I can say.
All right. So now back to the time when you started knowing about the forex market. What did you start?
Basically, I felt that I've usually had a problem with dealing with my finances. I've always felt money is not enough. So I tried working a normal job, but I literally failed to save because either my expenses are too high. So I used to ask myself, how am I going to break even? Because I was living life with no savings. So I needed something to give me this constant inflow of income that makes me feel like, you know what, at the end of the day, like it really makes sense. So I literally tried everything online. Like there has to be something, because you see, sometimes you ask yourself, and I'm like, okay, like when I first came to Dubai, I'm like, man, there's someone paying $5,000 a month for rent. What does this guy know that I do not know? I must be going somewhere wrong with life.
Yeah.
Like just that it makes sense. Yeah, like someone literally has a Lambo, someone literally has a Ferrari and all these kinds of cars, and someone literally sleeping in probably $25,000-$30,000 apartment a month, and you're like, I'm literally struggling to pay a $500 rent. You get, so it gets to show you that there are levels. And sometimes the biggest question I always ask myself is when you get to affluent places, okay, people think it's a matter of working hard and all that stuff. Yes, I commend, yeah, I mean it contributes to a certain point, but sometimes if Raymond is sleeping on the 38th floor of, let's say, one of the most prestigious buildings in the heart of Dubai Marina, ask yourself, did he really work hard? Okay, how old is he and all that stuff? So sometimes people feel like hard work is the way to go, but sometimes it doesn't really make sense if, one, where we come from, we don't really believe in mentors. Okay, we always think that yeah, we can do it on our own, or we see mentors as scammers, or we think we have everything figured out. Yeah, every African thinks they're smart. Okay, but there's someone always smarter than you. There's someone who has been the journey, or someone who has walked the journey that you want to walk on. So I feel instead of saying how do I get there, it's just a matter of how about I go knock on his door and ask him how he got there. There must be something he knows that I do not know.
Yeah.
That's why people don't think about that's where networking comes in.
Yo, Raymond. Yeah. Let's see that watch collection.
Currently I have 2 watches. Yeah. This is like a new entry watch for any watch lover. It's a Rolex Datejust. It's like an entry level watch, and then when you kind of get some more money, you upgrade to a day date.
So this is an entry.
It's an entry watch, Rolex Datejust, about $12,000.
Wow.
Yeah, and then this is a day date. It's quite expensive, like triple the price, as they buy land and buy watches.
And funny thing, you mentioned about reselling these watches. How did you create like a business model out of this?
I can buy this watch from a dealer, let's say here in JLT, just right now. If I want to make a quick buck, I can go to JLT. JLT is across that side. I can go to JLT. This is a watch dealer. A friend of mine is called Kasami. Probably tag him in the video here or something.
Yeah.
I can go buy a Rolex from him at probably, let's say, 12 grand. And then immediately, in case I want to make like a quick buck, I immediately go to Gold Souk, which is like a few miles away from here, and then resell that same watch for a profit of about $500 to $800. So you can find that you can just literally live your day. If you have dormant cash seated around, you can just literally live your day buying and reselling watches every single day. You go to this dealer, find out how much his purchase price is.
Yeah.
Go to this other dealer, find out how much his selling price is, and just play around and find yourself making money. In terms of moving money, in case you're supposed to move money to a different country, you can put it into a watch, fly out, go liquidate the money. So it's a really, really good business.
And guys, if you want to get funded, the Forex Funder is the platform for you. This is the Forex Funder. As you can see, we have 4 account types. The first one is a trial account, this one right here, where you try out your skills and see if you can pass this funded accounts. And the other one is a 1-step evaluation, and then this 2-step evaluation, and lastly the rapid plan. So the first one that I recommend for prop traders is the 1-step evaluation, where you only have to do one phase. Profit target is 10%, daily drawdown is 4%, and maximum drawdown is 8%. As you can see, no minimum trading days, and you're eligible to earn 95% profit share. On the one that I recommend for beginner traders is this one, 2-step challenge. As you can see, where you have to only target, your profit target is 8% and 5% for second phase. Daily drawdown is 5%, maximum drawdown is 12%, and minimum trading days is 0. And you're also eligible to earn 95% profit share on your when you pass your phases. Then the one that I recommend for proper traders is the rapid plan. As you can see, profit target is 6% both phases. Again, there are no phases in here. Drawdown is 3%, and maximum drawdown is 6%, and minimum trading days is 0, as you can see. So take on your trades. Make sure to trade. I've already dropped strategies on my YouTube channel on how you can pass this funded accounts, guys. Again, guys, I wish you all the best. Let's continue the video. Raymond, do you have any sport you do in particular?
Swimming is my sport.
Yeah.
I usually do 10-12 laps. Like, usually the pool closes at 9. So I usually come 8:45, last 15 minutes. But the pool is really good.
Yeah.
So I do like maybe almost 10 laps. Fitness, bread.
Yeah.
Let's walk, like I told you.
Yeah. That is something I've been trying to adopt lately.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Train your mind. And actually, most of the time you realize most of people suffer from anxiety.
Yeah.
You can walk on your breath. Like whenever you're anxious, just breathe in and out. Swimming helps with that. If you start other than going to take pills and get all these kinds of drugs, swimming is the best.
Guys, when you're a trader, you don't need to escape the 9 to 5. Every day is a weekend, you know. Look at that. Do you have anything to tell them?
We're literally going to do a trading episode, trading at the beach.
Yeah.
We're going to move the office to the beach.
To the beach, yeah. We can even move it to the to the desert.
Exactly.
And guys, that was the video. I hope you guys learned, you know,
1 or 2 things.
Yeah. So part 2 is coming out, day in the life, obviously.
Yeah.
You see the cars and everything. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next. I'm leaving Raymond now, so I can go back now to